Are you ready to travel back in time? Fusion 360 is a great 3D design tool with extended ergonomics. In addition to parameters that can be changed at any time during the creative process, it has a feature history that can be returned to in order to modify any feature in isolation. It even allows to insert or delete features. The ability to design by iteration with Fusion 360 is very flexible and frees the mind of any creator. This history of features is very aptly called timeline. But cut the small talk, let's study a simple case to see how it works. So we created a parameter called ref and gave it the value 100 mm. We opened a sketch and drew a vertical line from the origin. Now we draw an arc of a circle centered on the upper end of this line. Let's draw a line to the upper left from the origin, then another one to the upper right. Let's join the upper ends of these two lines at each of the two ends of the arc and add a SFINAE C constraint. Let's build a rectangle whose height is ref minus 20 mm and whose width is ref, its base center is at the origin. The sketch is locked. We finish the sketch. Extrusion of the rectangle, ref divided by 10. Extrusion of the circular tip. Extend to object. Fillet at the root of the circular tip. Ref divided by 40. Shell of the resulting body, ref divided by 20. The model is finished for the purpose of this talk. What happens now if we change the parameter ref to 120? Fusion 360 indicates an error has occurred. During the reconstruction it was unable to find the edges on which he had previously taken a fillet. We could edit the faulty feature indicated in red on the timeline. But instead we will choose to insert an intermediate feature and make another fillet. Our model is now corrected. Let's go back to the parameters and give back the value 100 to ref. Our model is rebuilt again. It seems that the fillet is not missing anymore. However, the last feature inserted in the timeline indicates an error in its turn. For Fusion 360 this is a mistake, but for us, for our concept and desire for a customizable model it is not. In fact, we just created two parallel paths in the Fusion 360 timeline, one of which will fail depending on the parameter. It's up to us to consider that failure is not necessarily an error. Actually, we caused the failure. One of the two fillet features will always be in failure. We can now change our parameter as we wish and always obtain an achieved model with all the features we planned. In conclusion, a failure is not an error. Thank you for your attention.